Good habits can change your life, but staying consistent with them is not always easy. Here are some simple steps to help you keep good habits every day. Step 1. Start small. Big changes can feel overwhelming. Instead of trying to change everything at once, start with small habits. For example, if you want to exercise, start with just 5 minutes a day. Small steps make it easier to stay consistent. Step 2. Make a plan. Write down what habit you want to build and when you will do it. Having a clear plan helps you remember and stick to your habit. For example, I will meditate every morning after brushing my teeth. Step 3. Use reminders. Set reminders on your phone or put sticky notes where you will see them. These reminders help you not to forget your habit. Seeing the reminder often keeps the habit fresh in your mind. Step 4. Track your progress. Keep a habit tracker or checklist. Mark each day you complete your habit. Seeing your progress motivates you to keep going. You will not want to break the chain of good days. Step 5. Remove distractions. Make it easy to do your habit by removing distractions. If you want to read more, keep a book next to your bed. If you want to eat healthy, keep unhealthy snacks out of sight. Step 6. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins. Give yourself a reward when you reach a goal. This could be something simple like a favorite treat or a short break. Rewards help your brain enjoy doing the habit. Step 7. Be patient and forgiving. Habits take time. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day. Just start again the next day. Remember, consistency over time is what matters most. Step 8. Connect with others. Share your habit goals with friends or family. They can support and encourage you. Sometimes working on habits together makes it easier and more fun.